Welcome to the lecture series of Introduction to Internet of Things. So this video will be useful those who are preparing for competitive examinations as well as NPTEL examination, also like placements. So here I'm going to focus on network fundamentals. So first of all, we'll go through the points. Later on, we'll solve some multiple choice questions. Why networking in IoT? Because device must talk to each other. So talk about OSI model. What is OSI model? So it defines communication happens step by step. There are 7 layers available, like a top to bottom layer. First, top layer is application, bottom layer is physical layers. In between, we can see presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer. So this is very important for your like a Viva point of view as well as interview point of view, exam point of view, etc. So understand like a 7 layers, top to bottom. So like application layer, user interface. Transport layer, the role is reliable transfer, either TCP or UDP, transport layer. Network layer, routing. It is actually IP address. Data link is actually role is MAC address. Physical address, that is wires and sign. Kindly remember this point. It is very important. So application user interface. Physical is actually wired or signals. Okay, try to remember this. So compare TCP and UDP. So for example, the TCP is a connection oriented, where UDP is connectionless. Regarding the reliability, TCP is highly reliable, where UDP is less reliable. Regarding the speed, TCP is very low speed, I mean slow speed, where UDP is fast speed. For example, TCP is mainly used for email communication, where UDP is used for video streaming. Okay, so that is the difference between TCP and UDP. So try to remember the following terms like latency. It is a delay. Bandwidth is actually capacity. Throughput is actually actual speed. Throughput is the actual speed. So try to remember these terms. OSI, open systems interconnection. TCP means transmission control protocol. UDP, user datagram protocol. IP, internet protocol. IPv4, internet protocol version 4. Internet protocol version 4. IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6. MAC, Media Access Control. DNS, Domain Name System. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Then LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. PAN, Personal Area Network. MAN, like Metropolitan Area Network. So these are the important terms you have to remember. So regarding the networking, OSI layer count, there are seven OSI layer. TCP, which is reliable and connection oriented. UDP, faster, connectionless. Latency means delay, bandwidth is capacity. OSI has 7 layers. Transport layer uses TCP or UDP. Network layer handles routing. Physical layer deal with the signals. TCP is a connection oriented. UDP is a connectionless. TCP is a reference is very important. TCP is a connection oriented, where UDP is connectionless. IPv6 provide larger address space. MAC addresses belongs to data link. Then latency means delay. Bandwidth is data capacity. Packet switching is used in the internet. DNS converts name into IP address. HTTP application protocol. It is one of the application protocol. HTTP adds security. Gateway connects different network. Switch works at data link. Router works at network. Throughput means data rate achieved. Data rate achieved actually throughput. Wi-Fi is a wireless. Bluetooth range is very short. So most probable questions, the full form of MQTT. What is the full form of MQTT? Message queue telemetry transport. Very important. Message queue telemetry transport. That's the full form of MQTT. XMPP uses dash architecture, which uses publish, subscribe, and client server architecture. So go for option A and B. With respect to AMQP, which of the following message delivered to guarantees allows each messages to deliver certainly, but also may be delivered multiple times, at least once. That is a right answer. In MQTT for IoT, the publishers are lightweight sensors. Option A. In MQTT for IoT, the publishers are lightweight sensors. Option A is the right answer. Which of the following is not a method of MQTT? Actually, these are not the method of MQTT. So please ignore publish, connect, disconnect. I can go for option D. COAP has dash mode of messaging. It has 4 modes of messaging. COAP has 4 modes of messaging. Kindly select option B. That is fourth option. 4. State true or false. COAP architecture is divided into 3 sublayers. The messaging sublayer is responsible for reliability and duplication of messages, while the request response sublayer is responsible for communication. The last layer, which is optional, is responsible for the user registration. Is this correct? No, it is not correct actually. Option B is the right answer. What is the full form of XMPP in IoT? XMPP stands for Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol. Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol is the full form of XMPP in IoT. State whether the following statement is true or false. XMPP is not a open standard protocol. It is a false, false answer. What is the full not frame for the AMQP protocol? So origin, destination, advance, are not the frame type of AMQP protocol, which is the basic unit of data in the AMQP protocol. So option D, like these are not the basic unit of AMQP protocol. Chunk, byte, packet are not belong to AMQP protocol. Kindly make a note of this. Which of the following are exchange type of AMQP? Direct, fan out, topic, all are comes under AMQP. Okay, direct, fan out topics. Which of the following are not an application of 6L0 WPAN? IoT and industrial IoT, IoT and IIoT. This is belong to 6L0 WPAN. The OSI model has how many layers? 7 layers, but here actually we don't have option 7. So kindly select option D. The destination address in the IPv4 packet represent which of the following? The right answer is destination node addresses of the packet. So destination address in the IPv4 packet represent the destination node address of the packet. Option A is the correct answer. So kindly go through this topic. All are very important. So you can revise these multiple choice questions once more and also go through the theory part. Happy learning. Wish you all the best for the examination. I'll come up with another video soon. Thank you all. Happy learning.